Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create a dedicated reading list in Notion, your go-to productivity app for 2025. First up, let's open up Notion. Once you're in, hit the plus button to create a new page. This page is going to be the home for your reading list. This step is crucial because it lays the foundation for your reading list. It's where you'll store, organize, and track your reading progress. Now that we've done that, let's title this page Reading List. The reason we do this is simple. Naming helps us easily identify and locate our page amidst all other Notion pages. Next up, let's add a table by clicking on the / button and typing Table. Select the Inline option. This helps us because an inline table allows us to organize our reading list in a structured way, providing us with an overview of what we plan to read and what we've already read. Now time to customize our table. Start by renaming the default columns. Change the first one to Title, the second to Author, and the third to Status. Add a new column and name it Notes. You might be wondering why we're doing this. Well, this step helps us keep track of important details about each book, our reading progress, and any thoughts, ideas, or quotes we might want to remember. All right, we're almost there. Now let's add a book to our list. Simply click on the plus button at the bottom of the table. Fill in the title, author, and status fields. Leave notes blank for now. You'll fill that in as you read. This is an essential step because it's how you'll populate your reading list with books you're excited to dive into. Lastly, it's optional, but you can add tags to each book. Tags could be genres like sci-fi, nonfiction, or fantasy. This is helpful because it allows you to filter your reading list based on your mood or interest at any given time. And voila, you've just created your reading list in Notion, a simple, organized way to keep track of your reading journey. Remember, the beauty of Notion is that you can customize this list to suit your individual reading needs and habits. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy reading.